Can't play WhatsApp voice chats on your iPhone? This could be due to audio settings, network issues, or app bugs. But don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of not being able to play WhatsApp voice chats on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure your phone's volume is turned up and not muted. Make sure your microphone and speakers are clean and free from obstructions. Your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. After trying these basic settings, now try the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check hardware issue. Open up the App Store, tap the search icon, type "Check my device" on the search bar, tap the install icon, then tap Open. After that, tap Allow, Don't Allow. Scroll down, now tap Sound Test. Tap on the screen. Now tap on the play icon. Try to slide left or right to check the sound volume, whether it is working perfectly or not. If it is working perfectly, then there is no problem with your hardware. If it is not working perfectly, that means there's a hardware issue. Solution 2. Clear WhatsApp cache. Open up Settings, then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. If you can't find the WhatsApp app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app, tap on General. Scroll down, tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the app. Make sure to toggle it on. Solution 4. Check iPhone storage. Go to the Settings app on iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap Delete App again. Now go back to the app and see if your problem is resolved. Hope your problem is resolved by now. And if you found this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and solutions. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.